Hello, my name is Priscilla Batzell and I'm working from Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. My channel is Expressionist Fluid Art, Priscilla Batzell. I have a leftover pan of colors, but I'd like to use them before they get too gloppy, and I'll try and mention all the colors underneath the video. If you are here for the Spring Team event, you will want to please subscribe to participating artists. There are 14 of us all together, and leave a comment for a chance to win a 6-piece mini set, $49 value. There is a mega prize, and each channel will reveal a secret word or two. Write the secret word down in the order of the videos, and it will reveal the secret phrase. Submit that secret phrase by midnight May 6, 2022 for a chance to win the mega prize of a $400 color art shopping spree. On May 9th, 2022, the winner's name will be announced. You will find the Color Art Spring Team event linked underneath the video. So I'm going to I'll list the colors I used, but I'm going to add some sour lemon that has some orange crush in it. I'm going to add a little bit of Mayan gold. Those were both Prizm Pours. This is Primary Elements. This is Passion, my new favorite. I'm hoping these will freshen things up a little bit. This is some Violet Rose, another Prizm Pour. They're beautiful in the pan, so I'm hoping that I can still use them. This is Frozen. They're absolutely gorgeous, actually. There's a little bit of Orange Crush with some Big Apple. Another Prizm Pour. And I have some Tuscan Sun that was giving me trouble a moment ago, and I'm kind of hoping I can get it open because I really want to use it. But I'm guessing I'm not going to be able to. Let's just do something. Let's get creative. Those are Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. They are on my Amazon link on my link tree underneath the video. I'm going to use, after I throw that in the bucket, I'm going to use some tongue depressors that have been chopped down to different usable sizes. Hope that I can just dip without dripping. This is quite the pan of colors, and it's been used for 3 different, this is the 3rd painting I've used it for. It's good to keep a little plastic lid over the top. Just a sheet of plastic works well. Trying to not move so quickly that I get large lumps. I just made a beautiful painting and the camera didn't record, so I'm hopeful that this is going to work. If it doesn't work, I'll be a little frustrated. I'm a little quiet because it's easy to get lost in what I'm doing. I've got a shorter stick and I think I'm going to use it, especially when I see I've got anything bothersome. I've got other shorter sticks too. I did use some flowers that were made of blooms, but they're not typical blooms because I'm not using any pillow paint. Looks like my colors are going to be okay. I might try some blooms again. Hopefully I'll have time and I'll shimmer this at you. Just basically dipping in different places. That's my time to show you guys the word. And the word is put. That's your secret word. Save it in order of the videos, and there's the colorart.com affiliate spring team event link. It's also under the video. Alright, so now, since I'm here, and I said I might as well. Although I'm seeing a place I want to put a flower that I don't have one. There we go, that's the spot. I kind of found out it was important not to overlap the colors. Oh, there we go, I got a little bit of Tuscan sun. I still got a clog in my tip, unfortunately. This is the Orange Crush with some Big Apple in it. That's a Prizm Pour. I have a container with some Amsterdam Black. And I have a straw right here. That's perfect. I love that. That's awesome, in fact. I'm going to try get some more Tuscan sun out of there, and it seems to be coming out a lot better, so I'm happy about that. And I'm just going to use some plain old Orange Crush this time. And a little bit of gold Aussie Floetrol. You know what? I want some more passion. Can't help it. Who doesn't want passion? Hey, as long as we're at it, let's add some frosted too. I might make some green. I might not. That is the PBO Gold Cell Activator with Aussie Floetrol. I thought it was going to be a problem child for a minute, but I like it. And I'm going to give myself permission to keep going. Although this time I think I'm going to use the cerulean blue. And maybe a little more passion on top. Although I've got some deep amethyst and I think that would look great. My paint pouring mixtures are underneath the video. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in comments. You know what else I have? I have a little bit of Aussie Floetrol with some orange unicorn spit in it. I like that. It just makes me want to have more though. I think I need to link up, grab a small chip. And it's time for a few dots. I may or may not have time to add another flower, but I can sure add a few dots. I like how the dots look iridescent because of the colors. I know I'd better hurry, or I'm going to run out of time. Oh, I like that green one. I like just putting one dot sometimes, which might seem a little odd, but there's always buds on flowers, right? It's just a dot and a pull, maybe a couple of them. Maybe 3. Move my colors out of the way. See if I have a minute to shimmer this at you and hope that we're still on track and that my camera hasn't shut off again. Although I see one more spot, I'd like to put another plant stalk. Right there. And maybe right here too. Oh yeah, I always love it when the orange shows up. So I can't not say I was really nervous doing this, but I'm so glad you guys are here. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. I'm going to try and shimmer this at you as best I can. And those colors are fantastic. So that's a combination of Prizm Pour paint and a few primary elements. And we are still recording. Yay! Success! I might fill in a couple more places before you're gone. But look at that. Those are just gorgeous. I could put a little bit of that passion right in the middle and be very happy. There we go. Now I'm really happy. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you come again. Don't forget my channel name. Don't forget to enter the sweepstakes to win a $400 shopping spree. Bye for now. Priscilla out. And you're still here. That's awesome. But did I forget to ask for a thumbs up? Please give me a thumbs up. Shop my Amazon link. It's on the link tree. Look for my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Instagram is also on the link tree. as well as Society 6, and what else? My papering recipes I mentioned are under the video. I have 2,500 videos. If you need help finding something, I have them all organized by topic and genre. And if you want to look for them, they're on my channel. Go to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. Know I love you guys. Know you inspire the heck out of me. I'm so glad you're here. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.